In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to make anything react to audio in After Effects. Let's get straight into it. So right here in After Effects, I'm going to click New Composition, and then I'm going to give this a name. Let me save Music Visualizer, and then I'm using the standard 16:9, which is 920 by 1080. My duration, I'm going to leave that at 1 minute. I'll click OK. And now you can see I have my composition ready. The next thing is to bring in the audio that I would like, anything to react to. So I have my audio right here. I'm going to drag that into the timeline. And then the next thing I want to do is to right click Keyframe Assistant and choose Convert Audio to Keyframes. And when I do that, you can see a new layer has appeared called Audio Amplitude. And then if I open up that, you're going to see I have Effect and Transform. If I open up Effect, you can see we have left channel, right channel, and both channels. So for this, we don't need the right and left channel. I'm just going to delete that. So we're just going to use both channels on one keyframe. So if I open this, you can see After Effects has automatically created keyframes from the music we just uploaded. All right, so that's that. Next thing is to bring in our cover art or the image we want to make react to the audio. So I'm going to drop that into my project. Then I'll drag that and drop it into my timeline. And you can see this is the image right here. If I press play now, you can see it's not reacting to the audio yet. So all I need to do is to bring up the scale for my image. So I'll press S to do that. And then I'm going to hold down the Option key on Mac or the Alt key on Windows. And I'm going to click on the stopwatch for scale. And you see it's going to bring up the expression values. And from here, all I need to do is to drag this pick whip to connect it to the slider for the audio amplitude. And that's it. Once I release my mouse, hit the play button, you can see the image is now reacting to the audio. But there's a problem. The scale has changed. And that's because if you look here, it's no longer 100%. So to solve this issue, you just come to this expression here, click inside, and then just type plus open square bracket and close square bracket 100,100 to return the scale back to 100%. Click out, and now you can see the issue has been solved. If I press play now, you can see our image now reacts to our audio very easily. So this is a very simple tutorial. I can come up here, add some text, maybe the name of my song, Faith on Fire. So this will be very good for artists right there. If you have a music, you don't have a video for it yet, and you just want to do like a lyrics video or something, you could just upload on social media, YouTube. You could just create this and you have a video for your audio, and then you're able to upload it on any video platform. All right, guys, I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you like this tutorial, make sure you hit the like button. And if you want more content like this, more tutorials on After Effects, make sure you hit the subscribe button right there. And I'll see you in the next one.